In today's economic society, if you become an entrepreneur and looking for a private office to rent for your company and your hired employees, the prices usually starts from $500 a month to $5,000 a month. Depends on how much space you require. Paying this amount of money, even in the lowest option possible, might be tough in the beginning of a business for a new businessman. Hi everyone, I'm Sina and welcome to my survivalist channel. I'm gonna show you how did I rent my private office 1,000 times cheaper on the market. So follow me in this video and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to not lose my future videos. Let's get started. Basically, you have two options. Number one, renting a shared workspace, and number two, renting a dedicated workspace. The first one is suitable for freelancers and solopreneurs, which includes the following services: a table seat, free internet bandwidth, coffee and tea on a desired amount, and a dedicated locker. And for a dedicated workspace, you should specify your space amount. Spaces are started with 50 square meter, which is suitable for 3 people, 25 square meter, which is suitable for 5 people, 50 square meter, which is suitable for around 10 people, and the last one is 80 square meter, which is suitable for around 16 people. And the services in a dedicated workspace includes cleaning, facility maintenance, and security telecoms for a monthly cost payment. As an instance, I just checked instantoffices.com and they rent offices in Berlin from 475 euros to 7,600 euros for 80 square meter space. I also checked regus.com and they offer $365 per person in Washington, which for 10 person, $3,700, and in San Francisco, $439 per person. Let's get in the interesting part. How did I rent my private office for 50 square meter for 1,000 times cheaper and a total cost of $50 US? After a lot of research, I found out that if I launch my business in Iran, I would have the lowest cost both on the office and employers' salaries. So I checked the companies offering dedicated offices in Tehran to see how it is. Let's check out some of them. And here is a virtual tour of dedicated workspace in Science and Technology Park in University of Sharif. Here is the outside of the building, and as you can see, there are plenty of parking spaces for your cars and your stuff cars. Let's see what's inside and how it looks. Okay, this is the entrance. And as you can see, it has a beautiful structure and a big garden that is so tremendous and beautiful. Okay, here is the inside of the building and the lobby part. You can see the stairs, the rooms. Here is this private studio that you can have and rent for a membership cost. You can also rent a meeting session for around $1 an hour. And here is how it looks. This is really good. TV included. If your meeting is just need to be big enough to cover multiple people, They also offer very big session rooms. As you can see, a lot of seats here, a big whiteboard. Here is another lobby part. If you just got tired and need some break, here is a space for your hobby times. Okay, here is the private room number 1. Private office. I think it is 25 square meter space, and that's pretty good. Here is the private office number 2. Very good space for small startups. Here is the private office number 3. And the main hall of the structure. All right, here are the rooms that you can rent. Here is the 48 square meter that costs you around $50. I just converted the local currency to the USD version. And as you can see, 51 square meter, which is costs you around $60 a month. 75 square meter, $80 a month, and 38 square meter costs you around $40 a month. And finally, here is the private office for 50 square meter for a monthly cost of $50 US. I just rented. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button to not lose my future videos.